Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm going to be preparing white okra soup with stew. So I have my fried melusa here. This is my onions. Look at the okra we'll be using. This is my stockfish. I have Maggi cube and salt, crayfish, my tin tomatoes, I have my assorted meat here, and pomo, cow leg, and that is my oil. So I will be starting with the stew first. So let's go right into the video guys. So now I have my oil on the fire. I will be starting with the stew now. So I will just take you
I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Tomatoes. I'll be frying it for a few minutes now. So I will be adding my blended crayfish, pepper and onions to it. Then I will be adding my tomatoes. Okay, I have to leave it now and allow it to cook. So the stew is almost ready. So now the stew is getting ready. I will be adding a little of the meat stock, and I will be adding my organ. So now I will be adding my meat.
I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second,
So
love this moment, yeah.
stew is almost ready. So guys, as you can see, the stew is almost ready. is almost ready. So I will be adding my melusa fish.
Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah.
So the melusa fish has settled in very well inside the stew. So I'm going to close it now and leave it on a very low heat while I start preparing the okra. Yeah, so guys, this is the water from my meat stock and I added a little to it. I will cover it now and allow it to boil while I slice the okra. So guys, I'm going to be slicing the okra now, but not all of them because I want to blend some and the rest. I love when there's a chunk of okra inside my white okra. So I will be blending a little, then the rest I'm going to put it inside.
If it rains all day, oh yeah, all day, as long as you're in my arms, boy. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment.
So in here I have my crayfish, onions and pepper.
Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah.
Now I'm going to add.
I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another
I
minute.
will be adding the blended okra to my boiling water. I'm just going to leave it and allow it to boil. I will not be adding any seasoning now because of the meat stock I use in cooking it. So I will leave it for some time. So we'll come back again. Yeah, so guys, look at the okra is almost ready. You don't have to cook the okra for a very long time. I will be adding my grounded crayfish, and this is the crunchy one. So I'm just going to leave this for like 2 minutes, then I'm done, because I want this okra to be crunchy. Look at this. So this is the way I love it. So I'm going to leave it to boil for 2 minutes, then it's ready. So guys, as you can see, my white okra is ready and the stew is over here. So I will be showing you what I will be having it with. So thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. So let me show you what I will be having this delicious meal with. Bye guys.